Hello everyone. So today is liver cleanse day, very crucial because your liver is the main organ responsible for the proper functioning of your system. Your liver is what detoxes waste from your system, toxins, take the right nutrients to the right organs. So it is very important to have your liver in good state by nourishing it, cleansing it so it can cleanse you for you to live a very healthy life free of sicknesses and diseases. So in order to come up with this liver cleanse, we'll be using mostly alkaline disease fighting fruits and vegetables. The first ingredient I'll be using will be apple. You remember all doctors will tell you an apple a day will take you away from them. That is because apples contain a lot of phytonutrients, a lot of disease fighting properties. It is alkalizing to cleanse your system, form a disease fighting barrier in your system. Your liver loves it. It nourishes your liver with all those nutrients your liver needs to be healthy, to function properly for you to live a healthy life. Your liver is the secret to a very healthy life, and you need to treat it with a very good cleansing and healing smoothie like this. So this is one apple. You want to get your one apple, wash thoroughly. I wash my fruits with vinegar. I have a video. If you haven't watched, I can link you up on how to wash your fruits thoroughly. The second ingredient I'll be using will be kale, or any green leafy vegetable of your choice. Green leafy vegetables contain a lot of phytonutrients, all the nutrients your liver loves to be healthy. And I'll be using kale. You can use spinach, you can use any other green leafy vegetable, you can use moringa leaves, fresh moringa leaves. Any dark green leafy vegetable contain those good nutrients your liver needs to be cleansed and treated. Yeah, so I'll be using a handful of kale. Kale is very good. It contains a lot of good nutrients to nourish your liver for proper functioning. So this is a handful of kale. I'll just show you how I wash so you don't get confused, because it is very important to wash your ingredients. So I use water and vinegar. I just kind of soak up for 5-10 minutes, 15 minutes, depending on how you're fast with getting the other ingredients ready. So that is it in the bowl of vinegar, cleaning itself. And I'll be using half a cucumber. So these cucumbers I like peeling. If it is the English cucumber, I can just blend without peeling, but these regular cucumbers I like peeling before I use it can be a little bit hard and it's some kind of crunchy in the mouth that I don't really like. So I always peel and just use the softer part of it, so it really makes my smoothie really comfortable, but it is still good because it still contains all the nutrients. Cucumbers are very alkalizing as well, support your system to detox and flush out waste. Scientists have proven that it has treated some certain kinds of cancer. It cleanses, regulates your sugar level. This is so good to form a disease fighting barrier, cleanse your liver, hydrate your system, leave your system so healthy. So I want to rinse out the water from my kale, my green leafy vegetable, and the next thing, which is very important, is garlic. But trust me, you will not even feel like you are consuming garlic in this smoothie, because I'll be adding one ingredient that will neutralize this garlic. But make sure you add in garlic, and you need just 2 cloves of garlic. Garlic is very important. Let me reiterate again. Garlic contains a lot of natural antibiotic it is a very powerful natural antibiotic to clear bacteria out of your system, slowing your liver from functioning properly. It cleanses your organ, preventing situations like sepsis, all those kidney stones because of bacteria in your system. This cleanses your organs. So it is very important to add in 2 cloves of garlic. Very important. Let me reiterate enough. So 2 cloves of garlic you want to peel and chop up, or slice into some tiny little sizes that you can easily blend. This is a very powerful disease fighting, antibacterial, antibiotic. It cleanses you to be clean, real good, real clean. So 2 cloves of garlic, you don't need a lot, just 2 cloves and you're good. So bananas will neutralize any garlic taste in here. It makes this smoothie actually taste good in the mouth, because most of the ingredients there are not really like the kale is just flat, cucumber is not really like sweet, but this banana brings in some flavor, taste. Plus, banana is loaded with good potassium, which is very good for detoxification, for the detoxification process. Plus, other nutrients you can find in banana. Very healthy to bring in that beautiful flavor, plus other nutrients into this smoothie. So you consume it without feeling like, am I really eating garlic? Or am I really eating kale? Because you cannot just get kale and start eating raw. It can be boring. Garlic can be boring just eating, but just adding banana and bringing these ingredients together can make this smoothie so tasty while healing and treating, cleansing you, nourishing you, like so wonderful. So I'm putting my ingredients in my blender, my apple, banana. That is my 2 cloves of garlic I'm adding in there. You want to add your cucumber, and lastly you add your green leafy vegetables. So the water from these fruits, from the cucumber, apples, will help you blend everything. So I added some ice cubes. You can add some ice cubes so it help makes this a kind of a little bit chilling in the mouth. You don't want it just so flat, you want it kind of chilling in the mouth. And and so, and it gives a little bit of water in here to help with the blending. And voila, this is it. So like, this is health in the cup, this is wealth, health. This will cleanse you, treat your liver, cleanse your other organs, prevents any kidney stone formation or whatever, for you to be clean from the inside. And when you're clean from the inside, that glow is just so effortless. You just glow effortlessly because no toxins or dirt from the inside are making your skin looking dull. When you're clean from the inside, it reveals a much more beautiful, clean, and healthy, fresh skin tone. So this is something you want to consume. Like, if you're having it the day you're trying to cleanse with it, have it early in the morning on an empty stomach before you have your breakfast. So you can have it by 7 a.m., 8, 9 a.m. before you have your breakfast. So it gets into a very clean system, cleanses you, treats your organs, heal your system, so you can live that very healthy life free of diseases and sicknesses. Trust me, if you practice this habit of cleansing, you will hardly fall sick, spending a lot of time and money in the hospital treating some sicknesses that you would have just been so healthy and active if you once in a while just naturally treat your system, heal your system, cleanse your system. Like, this is so this is something you want to try, share with your family and friends. Let's all treat our skin. Like, treating your skin is a form of self-love. Treat your skin, share with your family and friends, make and share with whoever you have close to you, so we can all stay healthy and looking good. And if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, what are you waiting for? It is very simple and easy. Just click the red subscribe button you see right below this video, so you don't miss any of my uploads and you get to watch them on time as well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.